My dream of living in another country. Hello friends, my name is Marcos, I am 23 years old, I was born in Brazil, I currently live in Rio de Janeiro with my parents, I am finishing college to become a mechanic at night, because I have to work during the day, it has not been easy, I leave work very tired and at the end of the day I am exhausted. I have always dreamed of living and working in another country, so I have always dedicated myself to learning English. I grew up listening to this language, I watched many movies, I listened to a lot of music in English, I also like to read books in English. When you work in another country, you have more opportunities to have a better life, you can buy good things and have a better quality of life with your family. Here in Brazil, the cost of living is very high, and everything is very expensive, the money you earn has little value. I have signed up on some websites to work in another country, some to do an online interview, but most of them require you to be in person. I know that one day I will have an opportunity, in the meantime I continue my English studies. I am working hard and saving a good amount of money. I currently live with my parents and I have 3 siblings. I still need to help them financially. My father is 68 anos, and my mother is 65 anos, but they are in great health. All my relatives live close to our house. My English level is getting very good. I study every morning before going to work. I have been talking a lot with some friends who are also studying the language. I am very dedicated and I really want to become fluent. This is an important goal that I have in my life.